What is up, everybody? It's Larry back with you, and I want to talk to you guys today about a budget option tripod that I think is well worth your money, and you guys should definitely check it out. Let's jump right into it. So now that I'm running a C200, I wanted to look for a more beefy cinema camcorder type, heavier duty tripod sticks. I'm happy with my Benro fluid head, but I wanted something with some more substantial mass for the sticks, holding up my very expensive C200 investment. I started my hunt, and you're talking, very expensive. So I sort of thought to myself, let me see what I can get for as cheap as I can get. This is where the Avella VH501L aluminum tripod kit 74-inch came into play. This is $130 on Amazon at the time of this video. I'll leave a link for that and everything else that I talk about in this video down below. These come with two stage sticks. 34 inches your lowest, 74 inches your highest. You have the leg spreader in the center, which is a great thing. So as soon as you drop that down, you know all your legs are advanced as far as they're gonna go. It's got spikes on the bottom of each foot that you can remove the rubber pad that's built in there, flip it over, and then you have spikes. So if you're in a rough terrain, not really something I think I'll be using, but it's great to have that option there. Comes with an awesome carrying bag on top of, like I said, the fluid head, which is very serviceable. It's not fantastic. It doesn't have individual controls for weight and fluid drag or anything like that. It just has stops that you're going to put in a little bit harder or a little bit softer depending on how you want your drag or your pan to go. But still, we're talking $130. The fluid head also comes with a Manfrotto plate. It accepts Manfrotto quick release plates, so that's awesome for me because that's what I use. So I left this fluid head on this tripod set for 6 weeks. I've been using this for 6 weeks nonstop, and I love it. I mean, it's just fantastic. I'm probably going to switch back to my Benro head. I'll leave a link to the head that I'm using down in the description below. But I'm probably going to flip back to that one only because I like the features on it a lot better. It has like a light up level. It has fine tune adjustment for pan and tilt. So it's just, I'm used to it and I like it a lot better. This one, it's great for $130. I'm going to throw it on another one of my tripod sticks and then use it for my 5D Mark IV for when I'm doing B-roll. A couple things that are negative that are not really negative, but they're just what I'm used to. When using a bowl mount style, you don't have that center mast on the tripod that you can move up and down. So I have missed that, but there's a trade-off for it and I'm okay with that. The other thing that you sort of miss when you have the leg spreader is that you can't kick out your legs a little bit farther to go lower. 34 inches is your lowest height and that's it. 34 is 34 and that's all you're gonna get. But that's the trade-off you get with getting something a lot more heavy duty. So like I said, I've been using this for 6 weeks. Fantastic, I love it. I'm gonna keep using it until it makes me feel a little uneasy putting my C200 on it. For now, I'm using it, I'm loving it. I suggest you guys check it out. Again, links for everything will be down in the description below. Just wanted to bring you guys a quick video and let you guys know about this awesome product that is very budget friendly, and I think it's something that if you're an aspiring filmmaker or you're looking for something like this, check this one out. I think it'll do you well and you'll appreciate it. That's gonna be it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, you can do the thumbs up down below. If you've yet to subscribe, you can do that down there as well. If you have any questions about this tripod or anything else that I was talking about, leave it down in the comment section. I'll get back to you right away. That's gonna be it. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.